Just wanted to show you my latest build, give you an idea of what I've been up to here lately. I know I haven't posted in quite a while. I've been very busy, but you can see what I've been working on now. I've got a little flathead Highboy 32 Ford Roadster kit that I sort of kit bashed a little bit. I put in a surfboard so I could make it a little more realistic, and put the flathead motor in it. Although it came with a standard small block V8, I put a flathead in it. I wired it, put those headers from another kit. I don't remember where I got those. I found those randomly somewhere. Did the interior in more of a like a leather style rather than the typical vinyl that you would find in these, or even maybe a cloth that you might find in one of these guys. Basically, it's a neat little kit. I gotta say, they came with some pretty cool stuff. It's a great little kit, and I did a whole lot of customization on it. I didn't have a whole lot of time, like a lot of you guys really, you know, are able to customize the heck out of these things and make them really nice. I'm not quite at that point, but I did try to get some nice touches added in here and tried to make it a reasonably decent kit. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm up to lately and kind of what I've built and where I've come with it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and you know, wanted to give shouts out to some of my favorite builders out there who really are doing a good job, and that would be Luis Sanchez, who's sort of new on the scene but has done some great work. Then you've got some old standards like Fast Jimmy, and of course the evil mastermind Dr. Cranky, evil laugh inserted here. So you guys, I appreciate you guys doing all these builds and keeping me inspired and motivated, and I'll keep watching you. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.